This conference will now be recorded.
Hi all, this is Venkat from Nandini Software Solutions Pvt Ltd, Bangalore. So we are going to start IT software online and classroom training center at Bangalore Marthalli branch. We are providing the ETL technologies training, mainly cloud ETL and cloud technologies. So along with the testing side, we are focusing on the trainings. So, so the upcoming new batch details I'm going to explain here. Uh, so there is a Azure Data Factory and a Databricks online and offline classes going to start from new batch 1st April. 1st April evening Indian timing 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So this is online class. So this is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Online class. We're going to start. So if you're interested to learn Azure Data Factory and Databricks, reach out this number 9538160185, and my institute website is called www.nandinisoftware.com. So this is the cloud ETL tool. It is very good demand in the market. You have done BE, BTech, MTech, still you didn't get the job. If you join Nandini Software Solutions, if you learn Azure Data Factory and Databricks, you will get the job easily because of lot of openings are there. Nowadays, the trend is moving to cloud, right? That's why if you learn this any cloud technologies, you will get job easily because of more openings are there. Okay, less competition because of still people are converting it to cloud, right? That's why uh, so a lot of openings are there, less competition is there. Try to learn quickly as early as possible cloud technologies and move to cloud technologies. So this is the Azure Data Factory. Along with we are going to teach one more technology, uh, Talend ETL tool. So this is a Talend ETL tool. We have both classroom and online training is available. This one. This is Indian morning time we are covering. So if you interested to learn Talend ETL tool, you don't need to write any coding at all. Just simply dra drag and drop it and develop the code, and easy to learn it. This technology. So this is a new batch is going to start from 4th April. The class timing is morning 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Okay, so if you're interested to learn Talent ETL tool, reach out this number. Okay, so for enrollment, call this number and WhatsApp it. So along with we're going to start some more technologies like Python automation testing and IBM Datastage, and so let me go for Python. So this Python, we have internships also available, guys. So Python automation testing and manual testing and API testing, frameworks, Robot, Jira. This and it will come in the under the Python automation testing. So if you don't want to coding side, simply you want to testing side, means learn this Python with the automation. Okay, if you learn this Python, you can go for either development side or testing side. So both side is helpful for this one Python. That's why Python also very good demand in the market nowadays. So this new batch is going to start from Python 6th May 2024 at 8 a.m. So the trainer is Mahesh.